Hello everyone. Gagwego scano agajango gagwego. Jo hioaje od gunonyo. Da one dango diogod de en od neojan. Hawe gunon de guate. Our community lost a respected and influential leader this past weekend with the passing of Marlene JaGohNyah Johnson. Marlene was a former Seneca Nation counselor and a lifelong educator who made incredible contributions to our nation and the field of Native American education. On behalf of our nation, Marlene served on the Salamanca Lease Committee and testified before Congress on that committee's behalf, and also became a tribal advocate following the Kinzua Dam project. She helped secure grant funding to build the Steenberg Community Center. She served as a trustee for the Seneca Nation Library and was instrumental in starting our Seneca Nation newsletter. As an educator, Marlene worked for many years at St. Bonaventure University and later at the Randolph Union Free Academy. She founded the Native American Indian Education Association of New York and was appointed as a delegate to the first White House Conference on Indian Education. Our condolences go out to Marlene's husband, Gordon, their daughters, Terry, Lori, Julie, and Tammy, as well as Marlene's grandchildren, great-grandchildren, and many friends. May she rest in peace. A few weeks ago, we marked the 20th anniversary of the signing of our gaming compact at a special event in front of the Seneca Niagara Resort and Casino. I hope that many of you were able to join us or to watch the event on social media. It was a proud moment to see a crowd of a few hundred people gathered together to celebrate not only what the Seneca Nation has accomplished over the past 2 decades, but to hear what our investments have meant to the people, the businesses, and the communities across Western New York. We were joined by a number of guests, including our longtime partners from the building trades, important business partners, local business leaders, 20-year casino employees, and even elected officials and representatives from local and New York State government. Each and every speaker who stepped forward gave a first-hand perspective on how the Seneca Nation has changed Western New York and the lives of people who live here. They talked about how the Seneca Nation deserves respect and appreciation for what we've done and what we're going to continue to do. If you haven't seen the video, I hope you take the time to watch and hear the words of those speakers that day. I also hope that leaders from New York State heard the first-hand accounts of how important the Seneca Nation is to Western New York. The compact celebration and the messages that were delivered that day underscore the importance that a fair gaming compact and what it means to Western New York and to the lives of countless Western New Yorkers. People are counting on us and people are standing with us. Delivering this message and telling our story is central to our ongoing Stand With Seneca campaign. Keep up to date on the campaign and upcoming events on standwithseneca.com and the campaign's social media channels. And please consider doing what you can to help spread the message, from sharing social media posts to attending and participating in various events, and of course, wearing your Stand With Seneca t-shirt to let everyone know that the Seneca Nation is Western New York. Representatives from the nation continue to have ongoing communications with officials from New York State on the compact negotiation process and details. We will continue to press for substantive negotiations to start as quickly as possible. More information will be shared with the Seneca community as this work progresses. I want to thank everyone who came out and participated in the informational and listening sessions hosted by the Seneca Nation Health System this week. Improving our healthcare in our community is critical to improving the quality of life for every Seneca today and well into the future. Your feedback is appreciated. Looking ahead, there are a number of community events coming up, including the nation's Fall Festival here in Cattaraugus, the Falling Leaves Festival in Salamanca, the Remember the Removal Gathering in Allegheny, and our Every Child Matters Remembering and Healing community event at the end of the month. Keep track of all these upcoming events on our website, sni.org. Speaking of upcoming events, I want to remind everyone that we've changed our September council schedule just a little bit. Our September council meeting will take place on Saturday, September the 17th at 9:30 in the Allegheny Admin Building. Please make note of this change. As we turn the calendar to September, of course our thoughts turn to the kids going back to school. I want to wish all of our students and teachers at every grade level a safe and healthy and successful school year. Of course, we do need to remember, especially as children head back into the classroom, that COVID is still with us. We currently have 52 active cases in our community, 36 in Allegheny, and 16 in Cattaraugus. Let's all take a little extra care to monitor ourselves and loved ones for any signs. Of course, anyone experiencing any symptoms should get tested and follow the public health guidelines to help limit any potential spreads. Bluestone testing is still available for Senecas, and you can make that appointment by calling 716-220-2442. Anyone who has not yet received their COVID vaccine or booster can call the Seneca Nation Health System to make an appointment. Vaccines and boosters are available for all eligible individuals and age groups. To make your appointment, please call Kim Bradley in Cattaraugus Health at 716-532-5582, or Terry calls in Allegheny Health at 716-945-5894. Finally, this Monday, September the 5th, is Labor Day. I want to give a shout out to all the workers who make our nation and our community strong, including the many Seneca Nation employees who help us serve the Seneca people each and every day. And a special nyali to our incredible first responders for their selfless sacrifice and service to our community at all times and in all situations. Have a great weekend, everyone. Stay safe, stay strong. JaGohNyah.